Hey guys! In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a catch game in Scratch. So the first thing you want to do is you might want to change the name of it to catch game or whatever. But I'm just going to name it catch game. So the first thing you want to do is you want to pick a backdrop. So you just want to click on this, and then you'll get a background. So I just picked the blue sky. And then you just want to choose another sprite. I'm gonna pick the apple. So what the apple is gonna do, it's gonna fall up to down. So we need something to catch it. So for that, we'll just use the bowl. So I'm gonna get the bowl. The bowl. The bowl. Okay, so now that we've got the bowl, we can delete the scratch cat. So the apple is a little bit bigger than the bowl. So what we're gonna do is I'm just gonna change it to 60. I mean, the bowl is actually a bit bigger. So 100, and the apple is gonna be 60. Okay. So now the size is okay. So I'm just gonna make this to 250, 150. Okay. So now that we've taken care of the size, what we have to do next is the bowl should move around. So to do that, what we have to do is we have to get a move 10 steps, and then go to events, get when green flag clicked, get a forever loop. And then what we want to do is we want to get an if. And then after we get the if, the reason we put the if in a forever is because it's only going to check, the if is only going to check once if the statement in here is happening. So we need it to be doing that checking forever. The statement that's going to be inside here we're going to get that in sensing, and we're going to get a key space pressed, and then a key space pressed, and we're just going to make that into a right arrow, and then we're going to duplicate this. We want to duplicate this, and we're going to make this into a left arrow, and then we're just going to put a minus symbol here, so then it's going to go the other way. So when I click the green flag, the bowl can go left to right. So what's going to happen next? The apple has to go up, and then down, up, and then down. And then if it touches the bowl, it should give you a point and make a sound. So the first thing we're going to deal with is it going up and down. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go into events and get a when green flag click. And then we're going to go into a motion and get a go to random position and get a set Y to 180. Okay, so after you make that 180, it's gonna go to 180, and every time we click this, it's gonna go to a random place in 180. So if we got, what's happening is it's going to a random position, and then it's going to Y180. So let's say the random position was here, then it goes up. So if I put the wait one block here, so we can see it going to a random position, and then it goes up. So, but we don't want that there. So we're just gonna do wait 1 sec. We're just gonna take away the wait 1 second. So then we're gonna take another when green flag clicked, and then you wanna get a forever, and then you wanna go to motion and get a change Y by 5. So we're putting it in the forever loop, so then it does it forever. So what we want to do next is we're going to go into control and get an if then statement. So now you can see it went down. So if, then we're going to go into operators and get an if y position, that's in motion, if y position is equal to negative 180, then what should happen? Then it should go back up. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna duplicate this and put it right here. So now you can see it goes down, goes back up to a random position. So now it's gonna be doing that cycle over and over again. And now we can catch it in the bowl. But it's not giving any points. So what we're gonna do is we're going to stop the program and we're gonna go into variables. And we're gonna do make a variable, and this is going to make the point. So I just put it in caps, and then okay. So now this is gonna be the points. So points. So now we're gonna go into the apple. So yeah, make sure you're in the apple, and you wanna go into the sensing. You wanna go in the when green flag clicked, if forever, if touching bowl, then we're gonna go into variables and change points by 1. So now you can see it changed by 1. But the thing is, it's touching it for a kind of a long time, so it's giving it more than 1 point, but that's okay. So now that you've made the catch game, what you can do, you can share the project. So for that, you can go to the project page. You can tell the instructions as which keys to press. So like left and right, and then you can tell did you use these? Where did you get these sprites and the backdrop and stuff like that? You can get the credits here. And if there are any notes you want to tell, you can say that here too, and here are the instructions. So once you want to share it, you just want to press share. But so yeah, so now you can share it. So now once you've shared it, now anybody can see and play your game. So I hope you guys liked watching this video, and it was really easy and fun for you. I hope it was really easy and fun for you, and I really hope you enjoyed the video, and make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Bye!